Good morning, guys. My name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. What are we gonna do today? Well, I did an oil change on this BMW F800GT and now I'm gonna show you how you can reset the service reminder using the MOTOSCAN app. So come on over and we start. To do a service reminder reset on this BMW, you need just a few tools. I use the MOTOSCAN app, which is, I love it. It's such a great device. When you have a BMW motorcycle, you need this. And it's rather cheap. I'm gonna make links in the description below, so you can order yourself the parts if you want to. This is the Bluetooth interface. It connects the bike with your with the app on your phone, an Android phone. If you have an Apple iPhone, then I suggest buy the cheapest Android phone you can buy, put the MOTOSCAN app onto it, and you're good to go. We also need the cable and a bike. Well, we start, come on. Now, first thing we're gonna do, take the body seat off. With this bike, really easy, over here, up, and get the thing carefully out of the way. Over there we have the connector to do the diagnose. Get the lid off, that's also easy. Onto there, we're gonna plug in the cable. Hop. Then on this side we're gonna put the Bluetooth send and receiver OBD2. There is a power LED, which means we have 12 volts on this connector. Then guys, I'm gonna get you to the other side. So, the next thing we're gonna do, put the bike on ignition. Beep, doop, beep. Then guys, look, over there, I think. Grab your phone. First thing we're gonna do is open the MOTOSCAN app. Okay, I got the MOTOSCAN app, the ultimate version, which, actually you can do everything with it, and it costs, I think, 50 euros. So it's a must-have. Then, what I always do is do an adapter check. Let's see. Adapter check. Opening connection, BT1 Unicar scan, that's the ODB2 interface. He's checking it. 3 times yes is ja in my language. That's okay. Then, this is an F series. And there we go to F800GT, the K71. Then we go to the instrument cluster, the combi. Hop. Okay. First thing I always do is read the trouble codes. If there is something going on, you never know. Have a look. No trouble codes found. That's good. Then we go to service reset. Okay, it was set to 19/3/2025 and we're gonna put it to 21, let's say January, February, March. 31 of March, just for the fun. Okay. Then I say reset. Okay. It's now set to, I want to set the service reminder 10,000 kilometers from now. I know that it's way before the 10,000 it comes back in my shed, but you don't have that pesky service reminder, service. I hate that. So reset it. Okay. And now it's set to, the mileage on this one is 63,062 kilometers. The next service in 10,000 kilometers or 31 3rd month 2026. The current motorcycle date is 27/1/2005, which is this very day, and it's cold, even here in my shed. Here we go. It's set to read. Okay, then guys, we go back and go back. And there was it. Close the MOTOSCAN app. Hop. And you're done. Then we're gonna take the stuff up first. Put the bike off ignition. This one back in his cage. Oh, yes, here, this one, unscrew it, oh. Get that wonderful cap back on, click, important, that click, oh, old mechanic, then put the buddy seat back on. This part's still missing because I'm still busy on this one. Now, job done. Now guys, that was my video about how to reset your service reminder after an oil change using the MOTOSCAN app. Was it easy? Absolute. Can you do it? Yes. And save a lot of money, eh? If you bring it to a dealer, well, $100 is nothing. It's when you go into the dealership and they say, good morning, that's ka-ching. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, consider a subscription. I really would appreciate that. Give me a thumbs up, also good for the algorithm. Push the notification button, the bell, so whenever I have a new update, you'll be informed right away. Now, guys, and for now, see you the next time. Old Mechanic out. If you black and white. So, yes, lock.